Hi friend, welcome back to Chim sneaker. Okay, it's been so long since the last time that I reviewed a Run Star Motion sneaker, so I decided why not introducing a new colorway in this video for you to see more interesting type of Run Star Motion Converse. Actually, I was so surprised that my last Run Star Motion video with the all black colorway is so viral, so that's the reason why I decided to purchase this to make this video. And yeah, you can, if you like the original colorway or you like the black colorway, you can also see in my channel. There are links down below the comments. Okay, so I have in my hand this colorway. I don't know what this color called, so I just call that is the like cappuccino colorway. Kind of funny. So it's basically a beige color with like some light brown, which also looks super elegant for the Van sneaker. Let's have a quick check. So this colorway I just see in the box is called the light Twine with arrows and mousses. So this is the Converse Run Star Motion with the light Twine colorway. So let's have a close look at the sneaker. Oh my god, it still looks elegant like any other type of Run Star Motion. I don't know, I cannot believe that why this model looks so good and so clean, and even though the shape is a little bit wacky, but it still looks so stand out and so nice. Oh my god. So let's check out the tongue, which is the defect, which is the feature that can differentiate different type of Run Star Motion. So this one is more like the Converse Run Star Motion original, without any like bandage in the middle of the tongues. So it gives the sneaker a quite clean and like easy to use and familiar original look. And the structure of the upper are basically three parts: the tongue in the middle in the white colorway, and the two pieces of fabric with beige colorway in both sides, which give this sneaker a super modern vibe. It somehow remind me of Converse FOG, which is super like stylish and elegant, and a super rare also. And the midsole of this sneaker is one of the most standout feature because it helps you hack your hair so much. You can see that the part up here is around 7 centimeters, and actually your heels play somewhere here, and it can help you like again like 5 centimeters or more of height. And also the structure of this Converse midsole is a little bit complicated because the part with the white colorway not directly touch to the ground, but it the two parts in the front and the back, so you won't be like worried about this part being or getting dirty easy. And this part is made by a super like elastic and like smooth material comparing to the Run Star High, if you know that model. So this is like far more comfortable comparing to Run Star High, I believe, but only for the short term use. If you use this model for so long, it's still a little bit like uncomfortable because that your feet not 100% touching the ground. So somehow like if you use it for like 3 or 4 hours continuously, you will feel like a little bit painful in your feet, especially like in the back and the front, because like your foot like distribute into the two parts the most, but not balancing throughout the sneaker. And however, this model is like very good to use with a lot of like light color clothing, just like the beige colorway, the white color, and it gives you a very like Korean vibe, like K-pop star, I believe. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the two sneakers from Converse Run Star Motion with a light Twine colorway. And myself, I call it the cappuccino colorway, which look very elegant and very easy to use. And yeah, the logo here, which is also like stick into the upper, and it have like a little like orange colorway, which is a little bit different from the two like all black and like original colorway. Okay, so that's in my quick look and quick review about the Converse Light Twine Run Star Motion. Hope you enjoy my content and see you in more interesting video of Chim sneaker. Bye bye, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.